Hi guys, this is Tanish. Welcome to today's video where we are going to take a closer look at the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand Smartwatch. I'm excited to showcase this incredible smartwatch with its impressive features and functionalities. So let's dive right in. First, let's unbox the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand and see what's inside. As we open the package, we are greeted with a neatly designed box. Inside, we have the smartwatch itself, a magnetic charger, a user manual, and a warranty card. Now, let's talk about the specifications of the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand Smartwatch. It features a stunning 1.69-inch HD LCD display that provides an immersive viewing experience. With 60 sports modes, this watch is perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want to track their activities. It comes in a variety of colors including champagne grey, deep wine, electric blue, jet black, mist grey, olive green, rose pink, royal blue, and teal green. It is compatible with smartphones and offers USB connectivity. Moving on to the functionality and features, the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand boasts an intuitive user interface. Its touchscreen is highly responsive and the buttons are well placed for easy navigation. One of the standout features is the Noise Health Suite, which provides valuable insights into your health. It includes 24/7 heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, blood oxygen level monitoring, sleep tracking, and even menstrual cycle tracking for women. You can also reply to texts and calls right from your wrist with quick reply options available for Android users. Now, let's talk about my personal experience with the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand Smartwatch. The watch is comfortable to wear and the fit is adjustable to suit any wrist size. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. Plus, with the instant charge feature, you can get more than a day's worth of battery life in just 15 minutes of charging. The watch performs flawlessly with accurate health tracking and seamless integration with apps. To wrap up, the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand Smartwatch is truly a remarkable device. With its grand display, wide range of sports modes, customizable watch faces, and comprehensive health tracking features, it offers everything you need in a smartwatch. The variety of colors allow you to express your style, and the IP68 waterproof rating ensures you can wear it wherever you go. I recommend the Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand Smartwatch for anyone looking for a featured-packed smartwatch.